Today I'm relocating garbage, so let's have a look at my stalled 1936 Chevy truck project. I've owned this truck about 2 years. I did some trading with my dad. My dad bought it in 1981 from the original owner, and the truck has been stored indoors ever since. The sheet metal is in very good condition. The grill, hood, and cab are all original paint and will be remaining that way. I have some repairs to do on the front fenders still, so the fenders, running boards, and box sides will be getting repainted to match. I also have the original Chevrolet headlight lenses, which are glass and are pretty hard to come by, so I'll be putting those back in for sure. We'll have to get a new windshield for it though. I have all the other glass. This truck is not being restored. It's being restored mechanically, and the body is going to be kind of preserved and left as a survivor. I don't believe this truck was ever driven in winter, and it's never seen salted roads, so there is no rust whatsoever. Rear fenders, I found these in California and they were in very poor condition. I was able to repair them, and there'll be a few photos of that at the end of the video. Box sides, original, not to the truck, but they are original Chevrolet box sides and they are in excellent condition. I'm very lucky to have found those. Doors open and close better than a new truck. So if you're familiar with these trucks, the A-pillars and dash rail were all wood. And what happened is the wood had all rotted away. So I replaced all that with steel. And the doors now fit and open and close better than they did in 1936. It's very nice not having to deal with rust. I do have some paint touch-ups to do on the bottom of the door where its paint has come off. I don't really want it to rust. Hood is in very nice shape. The only real damage I had to deal with on the cab was the roof had been caved in somewhat. So I was able to get that all straightened out again and looking presentable. And I just dug out the engine I'm hoping to use. This is 235 that I got for free. It turns over, and I filled it up with penetrating oil. I'm going to order up a couple gaskets and a few other things. We'll see if it runs. If it runs okay, it's going to go in the truck. Anyways, this project's kind of been stalled out for the past year due to some financial and health reasons and all the usual excuses. But I'm seeing the world continues to go completely insane, and I just don't care anymore. So I'm going to be doing a little work on this truck this year, and we'll see how far we get. The budget is minimal, but that doesn't mean we can't have some fun.